To cancel pagers, first log into the pager application. Then run the exchange, report lost, or reassign pagers. There are several ways you can pull up a pager. First is by first name, last four digits of the pager number, or by cap code. I usually use the last four digits of the pager number. You enter the four digits, click the pager, and then click Add. The cap code should match what is on the physical pager. Verify that it does. Return the pager here. Finally, enter the cap code into the form. Return code is going to be 15 for no longer needed.